Today, we'll be taking a look at the light socket on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now, inside the freezer here, we have the light assembly at the top. In order to access the bulb or the socket, the first thing we'll want to do is remove this lens here. Now, to remove the lens, there are two small spots on the sides. You'll put a small flat blade screwdriver, press in and pull down, and you can see it drop down a little bit. We'll do the same on the other side. Start to pull in and pull down. Now, we are going to have to try to separate it from this casing here because it tends to get stuck. So pop it forward, run your screwdriver across, and pop that down and set it aside. Now at this point, you can either untwist the bulb, remove it, and replace it, or we can replace the socket. The reason why you would want to replace the socket is if it makes your bulb go out frequently or your bulb flickers a lot. Now, to take the entire socket out, there are two clips, much like those other ones, directly in the front here. You'll use a small flat blade, go inside, and start to pull it down. We'll do the same on the other side. Push it forward, pull it down. Now, it is going to be kind of stuck. What I like to do is give it a little hit on the front. Now, I'll pop out the other clips. You can remove your harness here and set it to the side. When installing your new socket, make sure you have the bulb put on and reinstall the wiring. It can only go on one way as they are two different size terminals. Slide that on, then we have to line up the front first and then push up and clip it in place. Then we will get our lens that we took off previously. We have to reinstall this. Make sure it is in the correct placement so that you do not damage it. Line it up, press it in, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.